Howdy friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Woodbeats Powers. Okay guys, we're gonna work on this chainsaw Vevor chainsaw. It's a Chinese aftermarket thing. So I'm just gonna do a coil inspection on this thing. The spark's a little bit weak on this saw here, friends. I mean, it's weak. The coil don't look too bad. So, yeah. I'll give it a little bit more brushing anyway. Well, like brushing your teeth there, you see. Yeah, the spark is just so like weak. Clean up the magnet part of the flywheel. That's what makes contact with your coil. It gives you the spark to your spark plug. So I don't know. Not seeing a lot wrong with this. Well, anyway, just so I can bring you guys in for a few minutes. So, yeah, I don't know. I just got another one of them mediocre spark plugs or something again. This is a brand new Champion, but this one here got a lot of spark at the end of it. Oh, just got it out yesterday and put it in. Brand spanking new. But I mean, I don't know. Just sparking it is as good as I like to see it. So, anyway, guys, that's all I bring in for a few minutes. So, I'll see you in the next video. Okay? All right, bye now.